Guten Tag. We talk about time. You think your clock measures a fundamental, objective reality. You believe time flows. I, Albert, used to think that too. But listen, quantum gravity might prove that your beloved ticking clock doesn't exist as a basic reality simply because our universe's fundamental equations lack a time variable. Watch this video, and by the end you will never look at your now the same way again.
Part 1. My beautiful spacetime.
You know my masterpiece, General Relativity. It tells us that time and space are not separate things. They are two sides of the same coin. Spacetime. Time is the fourth dimension, just as real as length, width, and height. It flows smoothly and gravity warps it beautifully. It was a perfect deterministic world. The problem? This beautiful world of smooth curves breaks when you try to squeeze it down to the tiniest scale, the Planck scale, where the effects of quantum mechanics take over. My smooth time becomes jagged and meaningless.
Part 2. The quantum crisis, the time problem.
When we try to unite general relativity and quantum mechanics into one theory of quantum gravity, a theory that explains the very structure of the cosmos, we run into a giant, embarrassing wall. We call it the problem of time. Here is the core issue. The equations that try to describe the quantum universe as a whole, like the Wheeler-DeWitt equation, the grand law of everything, they fundamentally do not contain the variable t for time. If your deepest, most fundamental description of the universe has no time variable, then time as we know it cannot be a fundamental dimension. It means that t is not truly there. It must be an illusion that emerges from something else.
Part 3. Loop gravity and the timeless universe.
One of the leading contenders for quantum gravity is loop quantum gravity, LQG. LQG suggests that space is made of tiny quantized loops. It's granular like sand. But in the LQG view, the universe is fundamentally a collection of states, a static whole. This means the universe simply is. It doesn't flow through time. There is no cosmic stopwatch ticking for everything. The entire cosmic history, the Big Bang, your breakfast, the death of a star, exists eternally, all at once, like frames in a film reel that are all present, waiting to be viewed. So if the universe is timeless, then where does your ticking watch come from?
Part 4. The emergent illusion, your now.
This is the beautiful counterintuitive solution. Time is emergent. What is your perception of a now? It's simply the change in the relationships between things. Your watch hands move. The entropy, the disorder of the universe increases. Your memories change. That is what you call time. The flow of time, the feeling of a distinct now moving into a future, is an artifact. It is our brain's brilliant way of organizing and tracking the changes that occur in this static, timeless quantum state. We are simply measuring the evolution of certain internal clocks, like entropy, against other clocks. We invent the river because we see the boat moving along the bank. But maybe there is no river, only the motion of the boat relative to the bank.
Conclusion. The timeless truth.
So, the universe at its most fundamental level might be frozen, timeless, and eternal. It does not flow. Our sense of time is an ingenious perceptual tool we use to manage the vast complexity of changes around us. Don't worry, your appointments are still real enough. But remember, the next time you are late, you can simply tell your host that according to loop quantum gravity, the concept of adesso, of now, is not a fundamental component of reality. They might still be annoyed, but at least you will have given them a physics lesson. Did you enjoy the video? Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and drop a comment below. I'll personally respond to you. Hit that subscribe button. You'll hear plenty more mind-bending stories like this one. If you'd like to create a video like this one, take a look in the description below. You'll find the link to the software I used. Purchase it from that link if you want to support Rock's blog Science.